What's up, everybody? Beer Tickets back at you on this rainy Thursday. I just went to the beer store, the craft beer store. Got some Dreamweaver wheat beer. Mixing it up, getting away from the IPAs for right now. Obi just wants to play. Ready? Can you catch it for them? Caught it. Sweet. Good job. All right, sweet. So yeah, that's what we're drinking right now. Let's pop this open and I'm gonna throw this in my Elk Street Running Club glass. That bottle opener doesn't really work that well because I went for a little run today. Felt good about myself. So yeah, it's a pint glass, but this is only 12 ounces. Looking good. Looking good. Still can actually kind of see through this one. A lot of bubbles. A lot of bubbles. Nice uniform bubbles up there. Let's go in for a little sipper. Nice new, or not new, but I've had this beer's pretty old. Had it several times, but there's our facts about it. 4.8% alcohol, 15 IBUs, 55% wheat, 12 fluid ounces. Trogs, I think they're from Pennsylvania. Does it say here? Nope. Oh yeah, Hershey, Pennsylvania. Surprisingly, it doesn't taste like much chocolate. We got these nice Fire $5 tickets. Tickets 96 through 99, 4 of them. Won $15 last night. So I used that and then threw another $5 in for this little episode for you guys today. Been buying a few of these tickets lately. Haven't had much luck, but hopefully gonna break that up right now. 7, 9, 13, 22. Trying to talk a little lightly right now because Mary's in the room working. I'm off today, fortunately. Again. 21, I got 22. Number 1. 25, 8, 23, 18, and 6. Nothing on that first ticket. All right, sip of beer and another ticket. Tasty, tasty, tasty. 23, 24, 3, and 11 are winning numbers. 22, getting close, getting close. 21, no, still pretty close. 15, 14, 7, 12, 4, 13, and 25. Wow, loser. All right. Crushing beer, crushing tickets. A rainy Thursday it is today. Just had like an ultimate downpour, and then it slowed down. Heard some thunder and lightning too, which was pretty fun. 3, 4, 17, 14. Jeez. That's, oh, I thought that was like a special 7 or something. 6, 19, 1, 18, 21. Another loser. Great. All right, comes down to this last ticket, ticket 99. 19, 25, 14, 3. 25, gotta win. Nice. 18, nope. 24, 6, 17, 4. Thought we were gonna have a manual win all. Right off the bat. 22, 16, and a 7. So just a single match on the 25 up top. Try to position this so you guys can see it. There we go. 25. Maybe it's 25 for $25. Nope. Little zeros. And just $5. Bummer. Another losing session. But hey, got at least one win for you guys. Take it easy. Stay healthy. Cheers. Later.